What's going on, traders? The market recap for today. Earlier this morning, I put a markup in for gold. As you can see, this is still the markup. It didn't do exactly as I planned as far as the entry, but the direction and everything was correct. Everything else, other than the entry, like everything I spoke of about the direction, how far it would go, and where we want to see was accurate. But without an entry, then you don't catch the action. So it's not a winning trade essentially. So yeah, so I actually had it like, and this wasn't there. I had this here and this here. So I had it, and the market wasn't up this. It was coming down. Yeah, it was here. So I had it like it was gonna come back to this level, right? Because there's this imbalance, the gray, and it actually hit into the imbalance, and then continued upward, which makes some sense. There's still imbalance. There's a little bit of imbalance in here. If you look real closely, from this wick here to this one, there's still, see that space? So there's still imbalance, but it came and filled the imbalance for the most part. Um, and this is the 15-minute chart. So this imbalance is on the daily, this whole big gray block. Anyway, so as I was marking off the charts this morning, this was happening. It was dropping lower, and then at 8:15 it decided to shift. And so, I wasn't thinking about here. And by the way, this wasn't there. That was there after. I turned it into a breakout retest because I realized it broke through, came back. This is an order block. So I broke through, came back in. But also there's a support and resistance zone. So I hit in here and then jumped up and went up and came back, made it look like it was doing a head and shoulders pattern and then reversed. So really it's a W pattern. I get it, the patterns, they work, they don't work. I mean, overall they work. W is big. But not as high a probability. Anyway, I'm off track. So what it didn't hit my entry. But what it did was it came up, like I was saying, it was going to go up for today, right? So this right here is an order block over here, right? Now, if you see this yellow line coming across, that's the daily markup of the channel. That's the daily channel. So right now it's rejecting off of it. To be honest, you'll probably see a pullback all the way, right? And also this line is a consolidation box. I need to zoom out so I can show you guys. All right, so zooming out, here's the 4 hour. So this is a consolidation zone, right? Let me do it properly. Yeah. So we have the market's just messing around in here, really. And you see how it's rejecting off the daily. So what I want to see, because there's this imbalance here off the daily. Let me show you. So here's the imbalance, right? I'd like to see it come up, hit. Well, if it could wick, right? It could wick up here, fill this imbalance, come down. This is an order block on the 4 hour, right? So it could do one or two things. Obviously, the market goes up and down, but off of this order block, right, it could reject, come down, And I mean, if you look at this pattern right here, I drew it out earlier as a triangle, but now it's looking a little different because the market shifted. But let me see it clear. So I'm looking at it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. So it may just come up here, clean, fill this gap, and then come back down. Right, that's one way. Or two, it breaks up above this, comes back, taps this zone, consolidation zone, and then continues back up and look to come here, which in essence is breaking out of this channel. It's breaking out of this consolidation zone, right? This blue line, and it'll fill this void, which it will come back and tap off of this zone, right? And keep going, right? That's another option. So, um, yeah, and this is an order block as well. So let's see the 4 hour because then you get better confirmation. Yeah, see, look at this order block. There's money right here. So this might not even be the actual order block because this is the most extreme. That's the order block. So, which he grabs that one too. So I see it coming up in here. Because there's money here. And it's like a head, like shoulder, head, shoulder, coming back, retesting the zone, and then look for the drop. So yeah, so I believe it's gonna come back up. And it may take the rest of the week, right? Today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday, and Friday. Um, and it may happen, let's see, this 0-1. Yeah, so I mean, it could happen tomorrow. So, but it is in a consolidation zone. So it may not even play out this week. So you may see it. You may see it. See, like there it is rejected. I mean, it doesn't mean anything, but I mean, it has a look of rejection right now. So, and I mean, look at all these bullish candles. I mean, I'm sure we'll see a retest. Maybe to right here to this zone. Um, or it can come all the way back and hit the zone. I'm saying this morning I was saying come all the way back here, retest this zone, and then come back up. I mean, it hasn't even come to the box, the top of the box yet. So um, let's see. Let's see the line. Yeah, so the line's like here. I mean, it's not even. It's consolidating, but this looks like a pattern, like a flag pattern, right? Or a pennant, whichever one. Um, so let's see, it's dropping. Anyway, that's it for today. Um, yeah, I see it coming back down. For over the night, and then in the morning, look to buy back up. But tomorrow, I'm gonna do a markup for gold, um, and yeah, I'm gonna do an overview for gold for the direction, the bias for the day, and I'm gonna work on getting better entries because I mean, I had the movement, I had the target. The entry is where it's at though. Everything is where it's at, all of it together. So I mean, like, comment, share this. Um, you know, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what I can improve on. All right, y'all. I'm Nicky Limitless. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Happy trading. See y'all in the morning.